To change the notifications sound in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to move down, and here we want to locate the not home screen, sound and vibration. When we enter sound and vibration, there's a notifications tile in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and this will allow you to switch to different ringtones for your notifications. So you can either go for pre-installed ringtones, which means you can check all of the ringtones for ringtones, alarms and notifications. You can also go to choose local ringtone, which means you'll be able to pick your own sound from music or audio files. And now when we actually have it, so let's go for pre-installed ringtones and notifications, and then we can select this one, watch some ads on the phone that I bought, and now we can go back, and our new notification tone is applied. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.